At ito na, alis na kami ni Kuya. So, hindi namin kasama si ate kasi na-change nga yung schedule ng grade 9. Dahil dun sa nag-crack na classroom, yung na-vlog ko nung isang araw, diba? Nag-crack yung building namin. Merong crack, tininang ng DPWH. Tapos, yung first, ano naman nila is okay naman daw yung building. Pero, hindi pa siya advisable na pwedeng balikan. Kaya, for today, yung kasama ko is si Kuya Tyrone lang. Kami lang dalawa yung papasok sa school. At mamaya, 11:30, susunduin natin siya. Kasi uwi kami dito sa bahay. Dito kami manananghalian. Kasi wala kaming baon ngayong araw. So, tas maraming bawal sa atin. Kaya dito ako kumakain sa bahay. Kasi, meron magugulay sila mamaya. Munggo yung ulamin natin. Kaya say hi, Kuya. So, we're going to school na po. Ano ba ito? Balik ta doon, mananak. Bye! See you later! Kuya, kaunta ka niya, i-fix ta ka. Hello at magandang araw. Ito na naman ang yung maestra rakitera na lagi rumarakit pero wala pa ring pera. Dahil nasa grade 8 tayo at saka sa ating PN Health ngayong araw ay magdi-discuss kami at magkaroon kami ng campaign tungkol sa gender equality. Dahil first period ako kaya nagbigay ako agad ng mga 10 minuto sa mga bata para makapaganda sa kanilang campaign. At sa mga gagawin nilang kadramahan ngayong araw, kaya manood po kayo hanggang sa matapos ang video ito. At bago magsimula ay mayroong mga kadramahan ang nangyari dito sa classroom. Umiyak daw si Natrix dahil hindi handa ang kanyang mga kasamahan. At dahil handa ng lahat para sa kanyang campaign at mga kadramahan, hindi rin nagtagalan nagsimula na tayo. Sinabihan ko si Natrix na kung ano lang yung meron, yun na lang yung gawin nila. Kaya dito na, maya-maya pa nagsimula na kami.
Good day, everyone. Today, we do not stand here to ask for special treatment. We stand here to demand what every woman being deserves: equality, respect, and justice. For far too long, people have been judged, limited, and discriminated against because of their gender. Today, we choose to break that cycle. We choose to raise our voice for a world where no dream is denied. No voice is silenced, and no person is treated as less because of who they are. As we present our campaign, may we remember that real change begins with courage. The courage to speak, to stand, and to act together. Let us create a future where equality is not just a promise but a reality for everyone. The movie is not primarily about the gender equality. It is a comedy that explores gender expression, gender stereotypes, and acceptance through the lives of four siblings, a girl, boy, bakla, tomboy, with different gender identities and personalities. Although it uses humor, it also highlights the importance of respecting, accepting people regardless of their gender or gender identity. Buti na lang pagkatag si nanay, hindi siya nagpadala at pinanak na kaming apat. Si Girlie, our girl, si Peter, the boy. Yes, and si Mark. Ganda, oh. My tomboy.
Mga anak, alam niyo, sarap na tingnan mo pag magkakatabi kayong apat.
Pa. Ganda ko.
Magandang araw sa inyo lahat. Ako, si Miss Jasmine, ang may news anchor. Our talk starting today is a gender equality rally is happening. Marami taong nagtipon-tipon upang ipakita ang pagkain ng karapatan, respeto at oportunidad para sa lahat. Regardless of gender, let's go live to our Philippines reporter, Miss Queen. What's happening there? Thank you, Miss Miss Jasmine. Thank you, Miss Jasmine. I'm here at the Gender Equality Rally, where hundreds of people have gathered to promote equality and rights for everyone. I joined this rally because I believe everyone deserves equal rights. Hindi dapat hinuhusgahan ang isang tao dahil lamang sa
Gender equality means giving everyone the same opportunity to learn, work, and achieve their dreams.
We are different, but we all deserve equal treatment. Let's support one another, stop discrimination. Thank you for all who shared their thoughts. This rally reminds us that gender equality is about fairness, equal rights, and equality opportunities for all. Back to you, Miss Jasmine.
Pantay tingin, pantay laban.
Harap kapatan ng lahat, ating ginagawan. Respeto sa babae, respeto sa lalaki. Gender equality para sa lahat lagi. Thank you, Miss Lee. Gender equality is not just a goal. It is everyone's responsibility. By respecting one another and treating everyone fairly, we can build a better and more inclusive community. I'm Miss Jasmine, and that has been today's special news report. Thank you.
Worth it. Ang kilit-kilit dito. Hoy, dati kayo naman yung humingi pa. Ito yung gandang tumatala. Wala naman kayo may litas pinit yung liver and not for sale. Kaya makakalasa kayo ngayong bill.
Goodness gracious. Ikaw na nag-shop net. You are the one stealing on the CCTV. Oh my gosh, cannot anymore. No way! My twin brother is a criminal.
Yan! Hindi ko ba tatawagin mo akong criminal? Brother! Good day, everyone. Gender equality is more powerful than identity.
Gender should never define a person's value or potential.
Every individual deserves equal rights, respect, and opportunities.
Whether you are a woman, a man, you deserve to be treated fairly. And equal education creates equal responsibility. Equal pay for equal work is not a privilege, it is a right. Let us end discrimination, bias, and harmful stereotypes. Respect has no gender, and kindness knows no boundaries. Our differences make us stronger, not divided. Together we can build a world where everyone feels safe and accepted.
Sana'y pag-ibig ang isip ng bawat isa sa mundo. One, two, three, go! Sana'y pag-ibig na lang. Thank you, everyone, and that's all. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We are the Group 4, and we will represent what is gender equality. What is gender equality? Gender equality means being equal to everyone. It's not about how you look. It's about how you interact with the people. Means people should not look down beyond. You deserve to be treated firmly and equal. So now we will introduce the female, the male, and the LGBTQ, and also the gay.
We are the male. No matter who we are, everyone deserves respect, fairness, and equal opportunities. Let's build a community where everyone feels welcome.
are the female. Strong in heart, bold in mind, united we stand, together we rise, together we shine. We are the lesbian. I want people to know that everyone deserves to be treated with dignity and understanding. Acceptance begins with listening and learning. We are the gay group, strong, kind, and true. Supporting each other, strong in every way. We are the group for hindi magpapatalo. We are the group for hindi magpapatalo. 1, 2, 3, go. Whoop, skitty, whoop, every time I see you. Whoop, skitty, whoop, every time I know you.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Good morning, everyone. We are the group, and we are going to act about gender equality. Gender equality means all genders have the same rights, opportunities, and treatment after the law and duty life. It ensures that access to education, jobs, healthcare, and leadership isn't limited by whether you're a man, woman, or non-binary person. Gender equality also means sharing responsibilities at home, at work, and society instead of assigning rules based on stereotypes. Sa paralan, sa bahay, sa trabaho, madalas may sinasabi tayong babae ka, dapat mag-iupo ka. Lalaki ka, dapat matapang ka. Bakla ka, hindi ka bagay dyan. Ate, gusto ko mag-engineering. Ano, Maya? Mag-nursing ka na lang kasi kung bakit gusto mo din matapang ka. Ate, kami naman, gusto namin mag-nursing. Naku, mga lalaki kayo, mag-engineering na lang kayo. So, ano ako, hindi ako lalaki, hindi ako babae, babae, alam na babae. Tama daw, ano kung dapat? Ano ang gusto mo, hindi kung sino ka. Ma'am, hindi ko ako sa basketball. Kaya ko may trabaho. Yes, po. Ma'am, gusto ko yung pero bakit naman po, ma'am? Maganda naman po yung performance ko, ah. Grabe naman po kayo. Nakita nyo? Hindi kakayahan ang tinitignan. Kasarian at minsan kung sino ang mahal. Kung sino ang mahal mo. So, ang ibig sabihin ng gender equality. Ang ibig sabihin, pantay ang lalaki at lalaki. Ma'am, ganda ko po. Pati-ibig. Napantay. Tama. Gender equality is pantay sa oportunidad, pantay na respeto at pantay na karapatan. Kaya pala, mag-enroll na ako sa engineering. Kami naman sa nursing. Kahit sinabi mo sa tao. Hindi na ako matatakot yung sila ko. Then ako, ay ako. This time, maghahanap ako ng trabaho, hindi sa paghanap sa laning, hindi sa gender. Ang Ang gender equality, hindi lang tungkol sa babae versus lalaki. Kasama ang LGBTQ, kasama lahat. Dahil ang basihan ay kakayahan, ang basihan ay tao, bantay tayo. Thank you everyone for your and listening.
Good morning, everyone. We are here today to spread awareness about gender equality. Gender equality means everyone deserves equality, rights, opportunities, and respect. No one should be judged because of their gender or identity. We may be different, but are all equal and deserve to be treated with kindness and fairness. Together, let us end discrimination and build a community where everyone is respected. Remember, equal rights, equal voices, equal future. Thank you and have a wonderful day.
Why are girls expected to do all the household chores?
And why do they told us they shouldn't cry? We all have feelings.
Oh my God, I love
Sometimes people judge me because of my looks or who I am, but I deserve respect like anyone else. Being different doesn't make everyone less. We have abilities and talent. Girls shouldn't never stop us from reaching our goals.
We should support each other instead of judging one another.
These pictures remind us that equality has no gender. Everyone deserves the same respect, rights, and opportunities, whether they are male or female. On the left side, we see a boy being loved and judged. This shows that boys can also experience bullying and unfair expectations. On the right side, we see a girl being silent and called weak. This represents how girls are sometimes discriminated against and prevented from experience themselves. The handshaking at the top symbolizes unity, respect, and working together. The message is, let's do it better. Encourage us to stop gender discrimination and treat everyone fairly. This image teaches us that equality begins with respect. We should value one another, reject, and create a world where everyone is accepted, regardless and gender.
1, 2, 3, go! Powerful!
Dito